Apple's car chief. Oh, I saw this news. I saw that story. Apparently, this is a big deal because we did a story recently, which was maybe you're going to see the Apple car sooner than later. And this story seems to indicate probably the opposite. Apple's car chief is heading to Ford. Doug Field has been hired by Ford as Chief Advanced Technology and Embedded Systems Officer. This was the car guy at Apple.
Building the system.
Field was a VP of Special Projects at Apple, where he was the de facto head of the company's confused efforts to make an autonomous electric car, known as Project Titan. He had a previous stint at Apple where he was once the VP of Mac hardware engineering, but left the company in 2013 to become Tesla's chief vehicle engineer.
So he knows all the secrets.
This guy's a hot ticket. You know? Imagine you're him. You're getting wined and dined by all the tech companies and auto companies. They're like, go get me that Field guy. And he's like, I'll hear you out. I'll have your meal. I'll eat your steak.
Yeah, I'll dine.
I'll wine and dine.
Yeah.
You can wine and dine me, and I'll let you know. Let me see the paperwork. Let me see. And then you go from Tesla to Apple to Ford, and Ford's doing things right now. Lightning. They're doing things. But what does it mean for the Apple car? Well, let's say this thing, there was a lot of work in it, and it was getting close in any way. The last thing you can do is leave at that point. You want to take credit for these type of things. So chances are, I mean, it just feels like it's not going well, or it feels like it's just further off. Where you get an offer from a company like Ford, you get to start working on stuff that's going to hit the market sooner. Maybe you get paid more, who knows what other reasons. And you say, I'm going to go do that instead. We've done so many stories on Apple trying to partner with this brand or that brand, the Korean brands. And
yeah, whenever a chief leaves, that's a problem. That's a big deal.
Wow.
The chiefs.
Wow.
You know?
Never want to lose a chief.
No. So
Did you mean that in terms of like tech companies, or were you going deeper than that?
just tech companies.
Oh, because
I wasn't planning on going.
It felt
deeper.
tribal for a second when you were like, whenever the chief leaves.
Can a chief leave?
Talking about the
A
tribe?
tribe. Yeah. They're tied to it, right? Oh, that's deep. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to go too deep.
I would assume something would have to go catastrophically wrong for a chief to leave. You can't Google, can a chief leave a tribe? Can't. Are you nuts? A chief cannot leave their island without making another member a chief first.
Oh, so they can.
This is a game. My Singing Monster. Well, man, it's a video game, man.
You got my hopes up.
Can't take us down there. Anyway, no. Typically, no. You don't want a chief to leave. Any chief. All chiefs, you want them to hang around. Including this chief. Car chief. Congrats, Doug Field. I presume you got a better job, so sucks that there's not going to be an Apple car anytime soon, but hopefully you can do something cool at Ford. I think Ford's doing some cool things anyway.